Hello, my name is Victoria Larson, COO of Diva Talent, Production, and Event. Welcome to the Gems Talk. Today I'm sitting with Kainat from Assure Venture Laser Cosmetic Center. Today she'll discuss the services that they provide, why more people are investing in aesthetic treatments today, and how BNI has impacted her growth. Welcome to the Gems Talk.
Thank you so much, Victoria, for having me.
It's a pleasure to have you. I wanted to start off by asking you, tell us about your journey and why Dr. Abhishek decided to start Venture Clinic.
I have 15 years of experience in this industry. I was a little bit disappointed when I moved to Dubai because the practice here was completely different, where the entire transplantation used to be done by technicians, and I was a person who never trusted that. I can vouch on my doctors and not the technicians. So I was a little bit, refrain, and I started doing freelancing work with a couple of organizations. But when I joined Assure, the best thing I liked about Assure was where my ideas and the vision of my founder matched. Dr. Abhishek's vision was very simple. He wanted an organization where the patients feel comfortable, the authenticity of the treatment is there, we are honest with the treatment, and it has to provide 100% with the results. So he just wanted a advanced treatment with the combination of an honest advice to the patient, which can lead to 100% result. So with Assure, I can say it is very easy for me because I don't pretend there. I don't have to sell people. It is always easy because it is naturally doing a proper diagnosis and advising a patient with the ultimate solution.
That's incredible. And I do believe that honesty is so important. It's so great that the clinic is like that and that they want the best results for their patients.
Absolutely.
So what key services do you provide?
Apart from hair transplantation, we are also a one-stop solution for any sort of hair loss condition, regardless of gender, regardless of age, regardless of type of alopecia. We are always here to assist with a proper, appropriate scientific treatment. And apart from that, we also do laser hair removal, other non-surgical aesthetic procedure, anti-aging treatment, Botox, fillers, scar removal, everything.
Wow, you do it all.
Yes, we do it all.
And I believe it's also so important because hair is a huge factor in people's lives. And
Yes.
when you look good, you feel confident. And it affects your day and the way you interact with people around you.
It makes a lot of difference. And what I feel is there are so many talented people, but they are so underconfident because we are living in an era of social media where we are competing with our own self, where we go in Instagram, we scroll, we see a model, and we start to compare us with them, which leaves a small window of insecurities. Everyone comes with a smaller bit of insecurity, someone with weight, someone with hair, and seeing the statics, 9 out of 10 people are having hair loss. So we are always here to assist them.
That's incredible. And I wanted to also dive into what makes Assure Clinic different from other clinics in the UAE.
Well, transplantation is a basic process where the hair is taken from the donor area and planted wherever it is required. But at the same time, what makes Assure different is the USPs and approach towards it. The administration part, where worldwide 98% of organization is like hair transplantation is usually done by the technician. Here the entire surgery is done by senior qualified surgeons, where we are the only organization using a very high-tech approach towards hair transplantation of ultra-high density approach, where we just not focus on the density but uniform coverage, and also it has to look natural with the very latest technology of advanced FUV micropunch technique, where it doesn't leave any scar in the back, which is a scarless procedure with a very zero downtime. That means you can go to work on the very next day. And with the DSHI technique, we have total control over depth, direction, and angulation. That leaves us a fuller control in terms of giving you a natural looking result, but a result which is permanent. So we are the only organization who takes care and take a full accountability of the result for next rest of your life.
That's incredible because I've also noticed that with some sort of hair transplant procedures, some people have their follicles growing the other direction, so not in the same flow as your other hair. And especially with downtime, I know that some people aren't allowed to exercise, go to the sauna, or it shows and it's very obvious. So it's good that there's hardly any downtime with this procedure.
Yes. So the best part of DSHI technique is the usual authentic or the old orthodox technique is where they create a slit, which leaves a very less window in terms of controlling the depth, direction, and angulation. And as the injuries are made beforehand itself, your body tends to heal before the implantation happens. So what happens? Your roots always require proper treatment, post-op care. You need to spend a lot of money in post-op medications as well. Now with the DSHI technique, which stands for direct simultaneous hair implantation, name says it all, yeah. So what we do is we have a very precise needle implanter where we load the hair, and with precise depth, direction, and angulation, we have super control to plant in between hairs. And also you'll not have to be bald to get a hair transplantation done. We can plant along with the adjacent hair without jeopardizing your donor area or your existing hair, and it is 100% safer with zero maintenance.
Wow. And that's what I wanted to actually delve a little bit inside. I know you mentioned this previously, but why do you think more people are investing in aesthetic treatments today than ever before?
As I mentioned earlier, that now we are living in a era of social media. Everyone wants to look good. Initially, these kind of services were kind of luxury. Now, the zero downtime, less invasive, easily approachable, and easily accessible, people are actually adapting to look good. If you can, why not?
So true. If you can, why not? And now moving more into BNI, because you have recently joined as one of the BNI GEMS members. How has BNI impacted your business?
To be honest, it's a very great platform, and though I'm a very newcomer, but what I have seen is, particularly what I have felt, I have got amazing support from a community where one individual is trying to help another by generating an honest feedback and referral. And of course, with in a couple of months, I have generated a good business with BNI with the networking. So someone who really wants to elaborate in networking, you should consider BNI.
Definitely. It is an incredible organization where people genuinely want to help you succeed in the business.
With different backgrounds, different working culture, everyone meeting. Like it's like a pot with different varieties of thing, and which comes up with an amazing dish. Similar to that. It's like biryani.
Yes, like biryani.
Biryani.
The synergy is perfect.
Absolutely.
And so what core value from BNI do you resonate with?
Oh, so there are so many, but my personal favorite is Giver's Game. Why? Because where I am giving the confidence back to my patient, the trust, and the results, sometimes that help us to build a relationship, a natural relationship, where most of our business are generated by references. Like 95% of our business is from referral generation. So when we give that kind of result, we gain a client and a patient in return. So I resonate with Giver's Gain. And also my second favorite is accountability, where a lot of people, they do the transplantation or the procedure done and they think their job is over. No. When a patient spend their hard-earned money in the treatment, we need to be accountable to provide them with the right solution and the results.
That's incredible. And I would definitely agree. Giver's gain and accountability are really incredible core values. Thank you so much for coming on today onto the
Thank you.
GEMS Talk.
Thank you for having me, Victoria. It was amazing.